like I whacked it. Yeah, it's bruised. I probably whacked it on the side of my bike.
Hopefully it's not too tender.
Yeah, it's fine. It'll just be another dark
It's
spot
a
on my
bruise.
leg.
I can't
Every
baby
time
it.
I go riding, I come home with some bruise.
You know what, that's it. I can't baby it and I can't let it know about it, and I gotta play it off later this week as if I did something else.
What happened here? Another dirt bike accident?
Yeah. No inspections.
What's going on back there? I can't really see.
Randy's holding John's bike for him.
Oh. It's in gear, but it's not like enough to hold compression. Keeps rolling forward. Fine. I guess you just roll down the hill. Did you slide out same as me?
No, I almost crashed into you.
Oh. What, when I slid out? Yeah, but you just fell here past me.
What?
Didn't you just fall here?
Yeah.
Past me?
Because I was stuck on the hill.
Ah. Okay. Because I'm like, I was further back than...
You made it 3/4 up, I made it halfway up. And had to stop, and then I just...
Yeah, my fucking ass end, whoop! And then I was doing a fucking deep lunge.
You got it on the edge of your tire, and the studs hit the rock.
Yeah.
And then it was...
Oh, that was, the studs made it worse.
Yeah, like lifted the rest of your tire away.
As soon as you hit those studs, it just like...
Oh, yeah. Oh, that makes sense, because I'm washing out quite a bit today, and I didn't realize it, but yeah, it's probably the sidewall studs.
Yeah.
I can't count on them. That's one way to shut the bike off.
Fuck. And I got all fucked up on the hill.
Yeah.
Oh. It was like when I was trying to lift my bike up on that bridge and it just kept sliding.
Oh, yeah. Similar thing.
Except worse.
Worse, sir.
So heavy.
Well, as soon as we get back to the house, we'll have some lunch. Are you guys ready to go?
No, I need a minute.
Okay.
This bike isn't heavy until you drop it.
Yeah, that's what I worry about with the Stark Varg. It's all fun and games, but still you gotta pick it up.
You just gotta be better. And not follow so closely.
That's why you lift. So you can lift your Varg.
Yeah.
Huh?
That's why you lift. So you can lift your Varg.
Yeah. Yeah, if I didn't follow so close, I wouldn't have a problem.
Well, you're just trying to see what an expert does.
I was just like, I'm in an enduro race. You're right up to his ass.
Did you see me leap off that fucking rock in fucking fantastic fashion that I caught, like, my wheel came up?
You did that really well.
I did the same, except I didn't land as well as you did.
Well, mine scared the shit out of me. I pooped my pants a little bit, because normally I just try to bring it off like level, but my wheel came up, and I was like, ah!
My back tire just spun. My front tire knows
Because if you actually have momentum, you don't even have to throttle. You could just do a little bounce, and the bike will just bounce off.
Launch off of it. You don't need.
I did that on the smaller one. We were flowing, and I just.
You just have to have the guts to not slow down.
Yeah, well, and you have to know the trail, right?
Yeah.
You have to know this is the one where I can jump. This is the one where there's a fucking tree when I get to the bottom.
This is the one I always crash on.
This is the one where it looks safe, but there's a fucking bowling ball sized rock at the bottom that's gonna throw me over the bars. So we come here often enough, we'll get to know all the nooks and crannies.
I know where that ledge is now. There's a pile of rocks and an arrow down.
Yeah. I mean, the first time we came here, well, I went over my bed a few times.
Yep.
And then after that, the next time, I was like, yeah, okay. Pretty much the entire trail, like even those drop-offs, if you have momentum, you'll be fine.
Yeah.
If you try to just get up there and then creep down, your bash plate will fucking hit and
Catch
stop, and then you'll fall. So just like let the bike roll.
Okay, I think I'm good.
Want to play here for a minute or go back to lunch?
Go back to